Oh, why? What's he about to do? What you got, Denji? Yo, what? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Damon. Thank you for tuning in. And today we are back and we are reacting to some more Chainsaw Man. Today we are reacting to episode 12, Katana versus Chainsaw. And actually, I believe this is the final episode of season 1. Hopefully we get a season 2. I'm pretty confident we'll get a season 2. I'm not sure if it has been announced yet at the time of this recording. If not, I'm like 96.4% confident we will get a season 2. This show has just been so well received. A lot of people are buzzing about it. It's been really good. It's chaos ensuing everywhere. There's a lot of mystery, I feel like, and I just don't think we've scraped the surface of the story yet. So I have my hopes high for a second season, but nonetheless, I'm excited to see how this season caps off. In the last episode, we had our gang raiding the base of, I don't know what we're calling them, the enemy devils. You know, the Snake Lady, Katana, and we also have Makima doing her own thing, confronting the Yakuza boss, I guess trying to get some more information. She pulled up with a bunch of their family members' eyes, which is Makima is she's on something else. She's super villainous. I don't know, you know, we need to know more about her because she's definitely shady, suspicious, and for me personally, can't trust her. Still love her character design though. Her character design and her character itself is pretty interesting, but definitely not someone, you know, we want to be, we want to keep our head on a swivel around, if you know what I'm saying. But so yeah, I'm excited to see how we cap this off. I'm ready, I'm hyped. Let's just jump into it. And before we do that, as always, I want to let you guys know, if you're interested in checking out the full uncut reactions, you can check out my Patreon. The link will be in the description below. There you can get early access to all of the reactions that we have here on YouTube in their full unedited form. So with that being said, let's just hop into the video. And we got Aki being choked out by the ghost devil. That's right, because the snake lady consumed it, I guess, when Himeno was dying. Speaking of Himeno, rest in peace. Oh, he's underage? How old is he? Well, the OST amazes me in this show. What is this track? I like this whole like shaky camera, like this shaky POV that we have here. It's pretty cool. Oh wait, he's still alive. He's not being choked out anymore. What happened? Did it stop on its own? Because Himeno? Cigarette. Oh, that's why they gave us that flashback. Easy revenge. Or is this the ghost devil? The ghost devil wants Aki to take revenge? Is that what's going on here? So it uses fear to see. Uh-oh. Yo, the build up. I love this track right here. Something always goes down when they start playing this track. Uh-oh. Don't say that. I mean, we know he doesn't have too long left, but... Oh... Ew. I mean, it's not like the ghost devil killed Himeno. Well, I guess technically. I mean, he did what he had to do, I guess. Rest in peace, ghost devil. Get her. Oh, who's that? Kobani. Oh. Yo, got your ass. Kobani's redemption arc continues. Now, she's already redeemed herself. Bonuses are coming up soon. Hey. I feel that, though. We all need that money. But, maybe y'all ought to just, kill her? Ugh, the zombies. Oh my gosh. Well, yeah, I would take Power's chances versus these small fry. Denji's like, this bitch. Oh. Oh, okay. Damn, they don't even got the elevator music in here. Oh, he was ready. Oh yeah, they can't kill him. I mean, they shot him before and he still lived. I mean, he's not lying. They killed this man. They chopped his body up and put it in the dumpster. His heart was replaced with the katana devil. Huh. The same. How does he transform though? Denji has to pull his ripcord. Can he just? Can he just? Oh. Okay, Denji, let's go. But that's very interesting that they are literally the same. Like both of their hearts have been replaced by devils. And there they go. There they go. They're right at it. Whoa. Ooh. We going all in for this finale. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, my back. Oh my gosh. I would hate to be in this train right now. Got you. Oh. Oh, flash that. Holy fuck. What are limbs to Denji? Yep, there goes the other one. Oh no. Bro, he literally put me in the dumpster. Can he, like... This might be a dumb question. Can Denji, like, drink his own blood to recover? Like, the blood that's leaking out of his arms that have been severed? Would that work that way? Oh. Oh, why? What's he about to do? What you got, Denji? Yo, what? Huh, that's what his sensei just taught him. Oh my gosh. That was so delayed too. My guy was still talking like he was hot shit and he's still alive? What the fuck? How are you still alive from that? How'd you get your arms back? Oh my gosh. Oh, Aki. Yo, Denji is funny, man. Nut shots? Oh my gosh. This is a Denji specialty. Hey, he's actually thinking about it. Oh, look, yeah, just look at the SIG. Get that easy revenge. His family jewels. Yo. Woo. Get that payback. Get your lick back. So is this it? Is this the conclusion to this? What happened with all the other, Oh, okay, there goes Power and Kobani. Goes the Angel Devil. Is that a boy or a girl? Yo, the face. Ooh. Yo, my gosh. Playing a Requiem for you. Are you serious? These terraces were arranged by Akane Sawatari. And that was the snake person, right? Yes, that is the million-dollar question. What? Okay, so they got some gun flesh from it, but... Oh. Oh, okay. There's no way that's the episode. This went by super fast. Yeah, we still got a few... We still got a few more minutes left. I'll probably just do a compilation of them all. There's our gang. So where's the gun devil? They have enough flesh to track it down now. I'm assuming that's where we're going to pick up. Oh, you can't smoke that one, though. That's a keepsake. I love like just the background sound you can hear. You can hear like the cars and the wind and like helicopters and what. Oh, he is smoking that one. I just love the background of sound effects in this show. Where are we? Oh, is this? This is how the first episode started. So we're coming around full circle. Who is it? This is Denji, I think. Yeah, it's a dream. Hmm. Pochita? You can't open that door. What it? Okay. What is that? What is? Oh man, what is going on there? And who is this? The country mouse. Who is this? Who is that? The country mouse and the city mouse. Oh, okay. Who was that? Who was that? Okay, well, I guess that's something we'll find out. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way this is the end of Chainsaw Man. Well, I know it's not that. I know the manga's still going on. I believe the manga's still going on. But I know there's a lot more content in Chainsaw Man out there. So this is the season 1 finale. We were able to raid the boss headquarters, whatever we're calling it. We're able to take out Katana, Sawatari, which is the snake. I don't know if she's a devil. No, she's a person. Well, the person who was contracted with the snake devil and the gun devil, I guess. She's down now. Looks like she did her suicide, as she was captured. So we don't have any information from her, but it looks like we got our gun flesh fragments, enough of it to start tracking down the gun devil. So I'm assuming that's going to be our focus in the next season, whenever that comes out. So super excited to see how the story continues to develop and progress. But man, what a first season. What like a opening to a show. Like, this show is amazing. I love this show. Like, the animation, the action, the music. Oh my gosh, the soundtrack in this show is amazing. Yeah, I'm super excited for whenever this comes back, and I just can't wait. Still something about Makima, man. I think everybody's on to her at this point. We've had 2 people from public safety question her whether if she had something to do with the assault on the Devil Hunters. Seems like she did, because she benefited from it. She's pulling up with innocent people's eyeballs, and so I've been running this theory in my head. I don't know if it makes sense, but hear me out. So I think one episode I said, is Makima the gun devil? After giving this some more thought, I don't think she is. But is she contracted with the gun devil and she's not telling anybody? And I really don't have enough evidence. I don't even know if there's enough evidence to come to that conclusion from this season. But just hear me out. Hear me out. The first time we saw Makima, where was she going? She was going to where Denji, Pochita, and the zombie devil was, after Denji got double-crossed by the Yakuza gang. The gun devil just happens to want Pochita. When Denji first met Pochita, Pochita was wounded. To me, it kind of looked like a puncture wound or maybe a bullet wound. Not sure. And was there anything else? I mean, again, that's nothing conclusive, but that's just. I think Makima is after Denji and Pot, but she already has them under public safety, right? So why can't she just turn him over? That I don't know. I have no clue there. Maybe there are other members in public safety that she has to get rid of first before she can do that, and that's why she coordinated some assault on them. And now she has all the special divisions under her control so that she can, I don't know, plan something else to take care of them later. I don't know. I have no clue. But it's a wild theory, but I'm sticking with it for now just because we all know Makima shady. But other than that, I digress. Back to this episode in this season. This was a great episode. We got our look back. We avenged Himeno. We took out, our first set of villains, and can't wait to see what more is to come. It seems like we'll get some more characters. It seems like there's some lady who knows of Denji, so can't wait to see what that's all about. But we're just going to have to wait until there is a season 2 of Chainsaw Man. So with that being said, I enjoyed this series. I enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys did as well. And if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the Patreon if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And I can't wait to see you on the next Chainsaw Man, whenever that is. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. And this is your host, Damon, signing out. Peace.